Hi, I'm A Bissen. In this video, we're going to quickly cover the items that are going to be needed to qualify for a VA home loan. We're going to divide these into 4 different categories: income, assets and reserves, other, and transaction specific. Let's get started. So the first category is income. This is how the lender determines your ability to make the payments on the new loan. You'll provide pay stubs or leave-in earnings statements for the most recent 30 days. You'll provide W-2s and or 1099s for each applicant for the most recent 2 tax years. We'll need tax returns for the most recent 2 years for your federal income tax returns. If you're self-employed, this may change your documentation slightly. So if you are self-employed, if you're a sole proprietor who claims the income on your Schedule C of your personal income tax return, then the personal income tax return is the only return we need. If you have a business where you file a separate business return, such as an 1120S, a 1065, etc., then we will need a copy of those for the same 2 tax years in addition to the personal income tax returns. If you're on disability or have any other type of income coming from the VA, then simply provide us with the certificate of eligibility or your DD-214, which we'll cover in a moment. And the next category is assets and reserves. So this is the part where the lender is going to be tracking the settlement charges, and if you're making a down payment on your VA loan, those funds are always tracked throughout the transaction. So to cover those, you'll provide the following items. Provide us with your bank statements, checking, savings, money market, stocks, etc., for the most recent 2 statement cycles. Now, if you have a retirement account, such as an IRA or 401k, then provide us with 2 items: the quarterly statement with all pages and the terms of withdrawal. The withdrawal terms can usually be found on the same website where you downloaded the quarterly statement. Next up is the other category. These are going to be items that are going to be generic, but also specific to your VA status. So first, you'll provide your lender with the DD-214 or a certificate of eligibility. If you can't locate either of these, simply contact your loan originator and we can help you find those. You'll provide a valid photo ID, such as a driver's license or state ID card. If you've experienced a prior derogatory housing event, such as a bankruptcy, foreclosure, short sale, or deed in lieu of foreclosure, your documentation requirements are as follows. If it was a bankruptcy, you'll provide all paperwork and the discharge. If it was a foreclosure, you'll provide the full court order. Or if it was a short sale or deed in lieu, provide your lender with a fully executed copy of the settlement statement. If you were in a prior marriage within the last 10 years, be prepared to provide your lender with a copy of the divorce decree as well as the marital settlement agreement. If you have additional real estate holdings, such as a primary residence, a vacation home, or an investment property, for each of those that you own, you'll need to provide the following items. Provide your lender with the most recent mortgage statement, or if you own the home free and clear, provide your lender with a deed showing that there's no lien. Include your most recent property tax bill, your homeowner's insurance policy declarations, and if applicable, if you have a homeowners association that applies to the home, provide proof of your HOA dues. By the way, are you selling your current home that has VA financing before the new home loan closes? Make sure you tell your loan originator so we can cover those details with you. And the final category is transaction specific. These are going to be items that are specific to your real estate transaction. Let's cover those. Provide your lender with a fully executed sales contract with all addendums, especially the VA financing addendum. If you're unsure, make sure you check with your realtor and tell them you're using VA financing to finance your new home. Next up is the earnest money deposit. That's the check that you gave that's being held by the title company in the transaction. After it's cleared your account, go into your online banking and provide your lender with a back and front copy, as well as a 30-day activity statement from your account showing that the check is cleared. And finally, provide your lender with a homeowner's insurance quote within the first week or 2 after you go under contract. The sooner, the better. And as a bonus for sticking around to this video, I've included a link in the description below for our VA home loan resource page. When you click the link, head over to the right-hand side and you'll see a document checklist button. Go ahead and click on that and it'll automatically download a checklist of all the items we've discussed here today. And that's it. We hope you found this information helpful. If you'd like even more information about VA home loans, check out the link in the description below for the resource page for VA lending. You're going to find a lot of really good resource material. And of course, if you'd like more mortgage related content, consider subscribing to the channel. We'd love to have you. If you're looking to purchase, refinance, or get pre-approved to purchase a home anywhere in the Greater Tampa Bay Area, any of its surrounding communities here, or just really anywhere in the state of Florida, we would love the opportunity to assist you. Thanks again for watching. I'm A Bissen, and this is Unconventional Lending.